Hello, this is Jody with DMPC Web Designs. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial, short tutorial on how to edit your pages in WordPress. For this tutorial I'll be using a site that's on my local server, so here we go. Let's see, we'll use this one here. Alright, first thing is go to your site, WordPress site, and you'll log in. And on the left you'll see pages. You can click that and it'll open up all your pages that you have, and you can click up here to add a new page, or you can click under each page under edit and go in and edit the page that you're on. Each template has different options. The templates we use generally is what you'll see here is all these options, and basically that's how you would get in to edit a page. I'm not going to edit this one because it's one I'm working on. So what we'll do is we'll go back to all pages over here on the left, and we'll click add new. It's up here at the top, or down here over here on the left under pages, but we'll click add new and we'll do a test page here. You put your title in. This is what will show up in your menu bar. We'll get to that later, but right now we're just going to stick to this. So this would be your title of your page, and then you just come down here and edit. And that's really all there is to it. This editor here doesn't come with the original WordPress. It's a plugin we use to make it a little easier on our customers and give them some more functionality. Basically you can do about anything you could do in a regular Word document. You got your bold, italic, you got your headings. Make it a heading. We remove that. Back to paragraph. You can center the text. Make the text on the left, center, right. If you've got some stuff you've been playing with in Word, you can click here and you can paste that straight in, and it'll put it in the right format without losing any of your bold or anything. You can also change the font family. There's a few in here you can change it to. Symbols there, I don't know what they are, but basically you got your standard fonts that are for the internet. We'll go back to Arial. Then you can change the font size here, pull up to 36, and we'll take that a little smaller for now. And then you can change the color of the text right here by clicking on one of these. Change it to blue, and you can give it a background as well. There you go. And you can also, if you know coding, you can click this button, and I show this in case you ever click it and you're lost, you'll know how to get back. But you can click this right here, and that is the coding, which you can put an HTML in here. WordPress sometimes is a little funny about certain coding, but basically this is your coding, what would be considered HTML, pretty much. But for the most part, for this tutorial, most people will be using the visual, what you see is what you get editor. And basically that's it. You can hover over each item as you see, and it'll tell you what each item does. If you wanted to link to something, you can just hover over this and you can click link. And if you wanted to do an email link, you would go mail with the two dots there, and then you would put your email address after that, and that would give you an email link. And you can tell it to open a new window or not to. But basically, folks, that's how you edit your pages in WordPress. You can also, just for a tutorial here, finish this out, you can add tables with this editor we've added, the plugin we've got here. You can add tables. You can tell it how many columns you want, how many rows you want, basically, and you can align it left, right, or center. And you've got the width or the height. If you leave this blank, it'll automatically expand to the content you put in it. And basically that's how you would create a table. A lot of this advanced stuff you really don't need for the table. You could, you could add a URL for a background image here, but and you got a border color and a background color, you have to use the hexadecimal colors. But basically, just to create a table, most of our templates we have for our customers are customized with all that already set in all you have to do is add the columns and rows you'd want and insert it. And we can do a test here and a test here. We'll just fill out a couple of these here so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. And that would be your table. If you needed to create a table there with some information in it to help you get things squared away on your site and a little more organized, sometimes you can use those, and it'll help out when you can't get things to line up or you want two columns on your page for some reason. And we'll go ahead and publish this. I'm going to not show the title and not show it in the menu, but you just click publish when you're done, and then you can preview it, and we'll do that now. And there's the text and the table we created. And I will show you a little trick with WordPress. For some reason the tables sometimes don't center when you tell them to. So if you'll go in to the text and just add this HTML tag, it's just center, it's just the arrow to the left, then you type center and put an arrow to the right and go down below the table area right here, and you would add the less than sign again with the slash, and this is a closing tag is what it's called, and then you would type center again and put the greater than sign there, and then you can go back to your visual editor and you click update the page again, and that should center your, well, it didn't work, hang on. Okay, I see why it didn't work. Alright, you're going to have to do a center and the closing center, and then update it from here. Don't click this back, update it from here, and that will center your table. Okay, that's all for today. We will be doing some more tutorials soon on how to add media and images to pages and link them so that you can have downloadable links for PDFs and things like that. But that is a simple tutorial on how to edit your pages in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And you can always visit us at dmpcwebdesigns.com if you need a custom website built or need any help. Thanks, and have a great day.